Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadi ngejengyo ujor nagi patba halo gejengnya jabo jong dukan di Shah Diary kemudian hapo pur sam jong shnong renja kidikhat jong gador ba shnong renja rengkar kejezna lang jong dikhat kanyo trap integrated territorial organization Shillong City hagejeng khenra kabalonga kapradri uyayong arajar pausan kilakeno bakedukan Rajshri Diary kedi kebalik jabo kamlong kebalik khoi le subah hakabam kedi Hau kerwa belapa ada kehitu ringkat bagi video belading dorhi dari dekat Chong Gaseng. Laong botra jangan dudukan di Shah umbiang Satya wat tangga trading license bagi label license. Nama bagi dong tray hapuk dari dudukan kemudian Satya yang kikot kisla kibabiang bat lo kata Keseng kala Kamru bagi don napdeng kinong tray kemudian dak yong hakaan.
Vậy ta cái vậy thôi.
Vậy nó lang thôi chẳng.
Nó lang thôi vậy. Ring thôi. Nhựa lang thôi bọc thôi. Vậy cái này Ramadan vậy thôi. Gajing bam thôi.
Siap tak ada itu, Bro.
Vậy cái này là belas amin anu syu vậy.
Wait.
Oi. Kopi bola tu ni kena. Apa garu ni ya?
Garu.
Kena ada ni.
3 गारों को भी चाहिए क्या?
नहीं गारू नहीं चाहिए.
जल्दी करो.
Ikat dah ya re.
वो भी हमारा न ले रहे.
Saya ikat sekarang ni.
Layarnya apa yang mana? Nisas.
Where did we see actually United?
We'll have to.
You're not cooperating with the owner, you're not doing according to the...
Why will I not cooperate? Cooperating is there through the strong also is involved.
No.
About you.
We want to close the shop. We no considering, no negotiate, no nothing. No nothing. We are directly updating you.
At least something done.
My word, considering.
There is always a room for
No, why would
This shop has been, how many times has been closed down because of food and safety? How many times tell me?
It was not connected to it. There was some issue with the owner.
Because of dirtiness, huh?
No.
Don't hide me, I know.
No, sir.
Even Naran Badam also, even Naran Pashan has told me.
No,
It was closed before also, 2-3 times.
No, once it was closed, that was because of the landowner and myself and Nagarasham we were.
I know about that.
I know you resolved that. And I listened to the Shram. Whatever Shram said, I listened to the Shram.
How do you listen to your Shram? Not even labor license you are making for your labor. How did you tell, you claim yourself that
That labor
you cooperated with the...
that labor registration is there, sir. That from that.
Tala.
Beno sebar di dekat ro.
Alam mes. Sebi 2 kilo.
Ini nakaliang yang itu strong si akan ni si kepada trek yang penaibel Iwan mencek di labor license permanent yang ini kita kan non tribal kita bisa kita ibadan ini renjak jadi ngetrai lang bakas nong ayung dom ikat irang badong hadian bagi lawan inspect ilap mo ke jakasyat di jakasa di kilong kijabo paham dei tang mamunu malaru kita jabo kita topi bah karkom trai ke jongki hadian bagi apa ikut slag jongki lebar license treng license du bon di belakon lebar license ni te kibon di pomdan hira bon ba kimdan hirma kim renew kimdan kimai ke min ai kini buat sakaput dan safety hadinya trai lang bakasnong hadian bagi ada pengkang talai kawai ke dukan jong non tribal orang ba shabi ngila IT hakasnong hai irang badam kani ka first checking ke jongi kanang yaitu nang nismat kawai ngaspa aku buat sepat ba ala da pirong hakini kidairi da siar banbam giding bam nomor ba ma nabar ni ke internet hidon tiles hidon penjang pentre andre buat sepo pat ka jingjeing ka serkai ba hadian bangi ya jaka ni ya jaka ni ka inspection ke jongi ni yo dingtep ba kinjan ki non tribal ki ba wan ri tengan chania ki ba adon ka criminal record nabar with proof kata ngiyo dan criminal record tinggal pungkang telah saya kalukan hadian ngin sa simrai ngin ya keren bagi sian ngin ya likmi sa kadipanan mo fair tibadai ban pet ban kmi dan kania hadian jong atang ngin sa meeting ngin sa simbadai karai senjam kay bali atang tay police buat